Okay, so you're here because you want to buy an Amazon Prime subscription to watch your favorite movies, or maybe because you want to get the Prime for Twitch to subscribe to a channel, or to get rewards in your favorite game. Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to press start your free trial, and it will bring you to the login website from Amazon. So I'm going to log in. Okay, so once you do that, the first thing you have to do, you will be brought to this website, to this screen, and it will give you a 7 days free trial. But after those 7 days, the payment will be withdrawn from your credit card, debit card, etc. automatically. So here you put the name, and here you put the credit card or debit card number, and here the expiration date. So when you do that, in my case I'm not using a real card, so you press here and your card will be appearing here, like will be appearing here, and you have to press continue and automatically you will have your Prime Video account. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.